In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a link in your Twitter bio. So the first step to add a link to your Twitter bio is to copy the link. So for example, I'm going to head towards YouTube and copy a link of any video. Now once you've got the link you want to add to your Twitter bio, we will open the Twitter app. Now click on your profile picture and head over to your profile. Once you're on your profile, what you're going to do is to click on Edit Profile button in the top right corner. Once you click Edit Profile, just click on the Bio section and paste the link you copied before here. After that, click on Save. Now, as you can see, the YouTube video link is now under my username. And if I will click on the link, it will take me to the video. So that's how you add a link to your Twitter bio. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.